Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth Reams, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fold a tinfoil airplane. All you're going to need is some aluminum foil, a pair of scissors, and a regular 8.5 by 11 piece of printer paper. So your first step is to cut the piece of foil the size of your printer paper. So it's easier if you take it out, you lay the printer paper on top. Be careful with this part because the scissors are sharp. Now that your piece of foil is the same size as your paper, you can take away the paper, straighten out any edges, and the first thing you want to do is fold your piece of tinfoil vertically. You can just run your thumb or another finger along the edge to make sure it's folded nice and well. Then you want to take the folded piece of tinfoil and you want to unfold it and lay it flat. This way you can tell where the center of the piece of tinfoil is. Then you want to fold the top corners down and line it up with the center fold that you just made. Tinfoil is a little harder to fold, so be careful because sometimes it'll try and fold the other direction. Then you want to run your finger again over the folded edges to make sure that they are nice and creased. Then you want to take the same corner that you just folded and take this edge and line it up with the center that you made in the beginning. And again, always run your finger over the crease to make sure it's nice and folded. Then you want to take your foil airplane and flip it over so you can see the crease that you made in the beginning, and you want to fold the edges that you just folded to the outside. So then you want to lay the airplane on the side, and we're going to make the wings. So you want to take the diagonal fold that you made and you want to fold it towards that center line. And again, just running your fingers over the crease. And then you want to flip it back over. You want to do the same thing on this side. Then what you want to do is you want to pull back apart your paper airplane, fold up the wings, but there will be this little flap that stays down towards the body to help the wings stay in place when you fly it. Good job everyone! Now you've successfully made yourself a tinfoil airplane. Thanks for joining in, and fly safe. If you have any follow-up questions, feel free to email me at ereams@uwyo.edu. Thanks guys, happy flying!